Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a little unboxing to share with you. So this is the Traveler's Notebook Kit from Studio Calico. This one was from October, but I'm just now getting a chance to unbox it with you guys and share it here on the channel. There is a new one for November, which I will leave a link to down below, and they do have them monthly, so you can sign up for the subscription or just get them one-off, however you choose. Let's take a look. It comes in this really cute plastic pouch, which I love, and it looks like it's the perfect size to fit dual brush pens, so that's probably what I will be storing in here. So first there's this hello card, and this just has a note on the back for me. There is also a code on here where you guys can get $5 off of a new 6 or 12-month Traveler's Notebook Kit subscription with this code PopFizzPaper 5. So again, I will leave that information down below for you guys in case you're interested. So there's a really pretty roll of washi. This is like a coppery rosy gold color, and I love how shiny that is. There is a pack of little rubber embellishments, which are really cute. So they are leaf shapes with embossed details, again, which are adorable. This is a pack of sticky notes, I believe. So these are actually not sticky notes. It's like a little notepad. So you can use these as little die cuts or note reminders or something in your planner or in your traveler's notebook. So that is really cute. I can see using these more as like die cuts or layering pieces, or even spots for journaling. These Traveler's Notebook Kits also come with a stamp set every month. So this was the October one. I think this is really cute. It would be fun for like a little to-do list in your planner. You could build a background. This home is really pretty. And this is Jasmine Jones for Studio Calico. There's a set of stickers. So this is what these look like. Again, really cute. Perfect for the fall and for documenting things from the fall. I love the little like torn looking edges on those. Next is this pack of stickers. So these are circular ones, so you get 2 sheets of those, and these have really cute little flags too, so you could do a little bit of writing in some of these circles as well as on some of the flags. And these are like a heavy cardstock, so that's really nice. There's also this set of stickers, so it looks like you get quite a few of them in here, so let's go ahead and take a look. Also, it's like an unfoldy one. Wow, that's cool. I like how they're all attached so they stay together. So these are like little stamp shapes of like travel-y type stamps. Again, really cute and perfect for a traveler's notebook. And then this is the notebook itself. So I love their little notebooks for these kits. They're probably my favorite part of the kit because you get a really fun cover. There's room to document, you know, what's inside. And then all the pages are different, which I think is awesome. And, you know, kind of gives you some variety to play with. You don't have to worry about coming up with a whole new design every single time. I love this. I think it's so great. And I love that like one side is patterned and one side has grid. So you could use this as a planner if you want. You could use it for documenting things in your life. Polka dots are really cute. See, I think that's great. And some of them have like little prompts on there. So if you wanted to do a spread about this, like that would be awesome. So I'm definitely digging these little notebooks. I think they're awesome. But this is everything that came in the October Traveler's Notebook Kit by Studio Calico. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Again, I will leave a link down below where you guys can use my coupon code to get your own 6 or 12-month subscription. This was sent to me by Studio Calico free of charge so that I could share it and use it however I wanted to. So that's why I'm sharing it with you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!